In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, a Visa gift card can be used on most online services for you to purchase using it as a standard debit or credit card. In this video, I'm going to talk about using it inside of Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. Determining this is extremely simple and you will be able to attempt it at any time. All that you have to do is open the latest version of Cash App, and when you go over to your account page by tapping the user icon located at the top right corner of the home screen, you will be able to scroll down after seeing the information about your account and you will find this, Linked Banks. This is where you can start the process of linking cards and external bank accounts. Now, the big disclaimer that I have to make is that not all Visa gift cards will be accepted into Cash App. However, determining on whether or not your specific Visa gift card can be added is super simple. All that you have to do inside of Linked Banks is to choose the option to link a credit card or a debit card, whichever one you see. Depending on what you have, you might have to activate your account first. But when you tap either of those options, you can include the necessary details, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you are asked to input a zip code, you can include your own billing address. Now, if it goes through without any issues, you will be able to use it as a standard option inside of Cash App. However, if it gives you a message telling you that the card info is invalid or that the specific card is not accepted inside of Cash App, then unfortunately there isn't anything that you can do. So like I said, while it is possible, you will have to test this method to see if your specific Visa gift card can be used. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Visa gift card on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.